Alright, so we've got an arithmetic series question here. The first bit's already been done for us very kindly. Find the common difference. It was 2 because there were 4 terms that were 8 apart, so 8 divided by 4 is 2. Find the value of the first one, working backwards from 23. If I subtract enough values, I should get to negative 15, which is 38 less, so that works nicely. So the next bit is probably difficult because of the wording of the question. The sum of the first terms of the series is 960. Well, we can write something for that. Probably writes better if I turn my pen on. Sn equals 960. And given that n is a solution of an equation, n squared minus pn equals q, find p, then find q, and hence find n. It's probably just throwing you because of the letters. Let's just go with what we've got. If you get to this in an exam, and you're not sure what they mean. I've got a number here, 960, and I've got Sn. What's that? Sum of the first n terms, n over 2. 2, they've called it a this time instead of u1, so I'll do that. 2 times the first term plus n minus 1 times the difference equals 960. Now, we know what a is and we know what d is, so let's put that in and simplify it a bit first. So we're going to have 2 by negative 15 here, plus n minus 1 multiplied by 2 equals 960. That left-hand side looks like it could do with a bit of simplification. I'm going to have negative 30 plus 2n take 2. Right-hand side, just the 960 keeps going. Pretty up a little bit more. 2n take 32. Equals 960, multiply through by 2, and we're going to have n squared take 16n equals 960. Now, having done that, we've got something that's in the right form over there. N squared minus a number times n equals q. So we can fill in the answers. P must be 16, the value of q, 960. Now all we have to do is go ahead and find n. Well, this is a quadratic. N squared takes 16n minus 960 equals 0. Looks like it's going to factorise nicely. I'm going to have an n plus something and an n minus something. I know that because that symbol there is a negative, so I've got to have a positive and a negative equals 0. What factors have we got for 960? 10 and 96 are a bit far apart, so that's not going to work. Where's that minus 960 gone? 20 and 48? 28 apart. I've got to get them a little bit closer. 30 and 32 would make 960, but they're a little bit close. What else goes in a 96? 24. Goes in 4 times, that'd be 24 and 40. Yep, they're 16 apart. Now it's got to be negative, so the negative one will be large, so it's negative 40 plus 24. So when I solve it, n is going to equal negative 24. I don't think so. The number of terms has to be greater than 0. So for the sum to equal 960, the number of terms needs to be 40. I hope that helps. Cheers.